Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast with ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 4 slices of thick bread, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget your favorite ice cream, perhaps vanilla or chocolate, and any desired toppings like fresh berries or maple syrup. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the delicious batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. For extra flavor, add a pinch of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then, carefully dip each slice of bread into the mixture, allowing it to soak for about 15 to 20 seconds per side, ensuring it's fully coated. Now, it's time to cook our French toast to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter. Once melted, place your batter-coated bread slices onto the hot surface. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. The aroma will be absolutely incredible. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Assembly. Carefully transfer 2 warm slices of your freshly cooked French toast onto a plate. Immediately add a generous scoop of your favorite ice cream right on top. It will start to melt beautifully. Finish with a drizzle of rich maple syrup and a sprinkle of fresh berries or powdered sugar for an irresistible treat. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.